Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with a Publix Ibotta haul, guys. I'm going to show you in today's video how to get 8 products for 46 cents each. Yes! All right, guys, let's jump into this haul. Very first product I decided to get was the Del Monte Veggie Full Spinach Artichoke Parmesan Pocket Pies. These were actually priced in my Publix $4.39. I used a $1 coupon from the 1-3 Smart Source, dropping the cost in store to $3.39. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $2.39. Next item that I decided to get was on the Keebler cookies. The Keebler cookies, the Chips Deluxe, were priced at my Publix $2.50. Buy one, get one free. Yeah. So in my Publix, when you buy one and get one free, you don't have to purchase both products. One product will ring up at half price. So this was $1.25. Making the cost in store $1.25. I did not have a coupon, so I paid $1.25 in store. There is a 75 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 50 cents for the Keebler Chips Deluxe. Now, the great thing about Publix is they had quite a few varieties for me to choose from. I liked that. And also I had a any cookie rebate that was 10 cents, dropping my cost even less for the cookies to only 40 cents. So I tried the soft and chewy. Curious to see how those are going to be because I've never tried them before. The next product I decided to get was on the Del Monte Veggie Full Veggie Bowls. Okay, this was a great deal, guys, because these were priced $2.99. Buy one and get one free with a Publix store coupon. The coupon was actually in the Publix flyer, the little savings flyer, okay? That's at the front of the store when you come in and you get your flyer. So that made it be $2.99 is what I paid in store. There is 75 cents Ibotta rebates times 2, so I got back $1.50, making the final cost $1.49. Now let me tell you, my husband has tried this one before. This is the Kiowa. It's got Kiowa. Am I saying that right? Roasted red pepper. My husband has actually tried this flavor and he did like it. The next thing that I decided to get, guys, was the Dow body wash. See, this is a perfect example of what I'm talking about. I could not find this at my Walmart, so I found it at Publix, guys. It was a little pricier, okay? It was $4.72 in my Publix. I didn't have a coupon because that Dow coupon has expired. So I had to pay $4.72 in store. But the reason why I did this rebate is because it is double dipping, okay? The regular Dow body wash, that's a $1 rebate, is attaching, and the $1.50 rebate for this one is attaching. If you don't want to double dip, then, you know, unclick that rebate, but I don't mind. So that gave me back $2.50, making the final cost for the Dow body wash $2.22. This is the Clean and Gentle Hyperallergenic. Okay. This product I found that I can't seem to find at my Walmart was the Bolt 24 drink. This is actually a watermelon. I think this one was watermelon flavor. Yeah, watermelon strawberry flavor, guys. It was priced $1.99 in my Walmart. This is a buy it, get it free after the rebate. However, I had to pay $1.99 in store, but the rebate was only for $1.49. Now, if you guys want to submit a ticket for that, that's up to you. It ain't that serious to me, okay? After the $1.49 back, the final cost for me is only 50 cents. I'm cool with that. I'm going to throw it in my husband's lunchbox, okay? Next product I decided to get, guys, was the Del Monte Oats to Go. This is an apple cinnamon crunch. It was priced $2 for $2 on sale this week at Publix. but I only purchased one, so it was only $1. Did have a coupon from the 1-3 Smart Source. That's an old coupon. 50-cent coupon, guys. Dropped my cost in store to only 50 cents. I got a 50 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost free. Love it. I need this to reset because I'm going to go back and get another one because my husband likes his oatmeal easy to eat at work. Next product I decided to get, guys, was not a Ibotta rebate. It was actually a Fetch rebate. Okay, you guys are not familiar with Fetch. Fetch is also another rebate app, and we always are scanning our receipts to redeem for gift cards. Boop. All right, so this is what I got. There was a rebate on there for 100% back Knorr Selects. See, it says Knorr Selects. So it's not the regular Knorr, but the Knorr Selects. They only had one variety, which was the Easy Risotto. I was okay with that. This was priced $1.99 in my Publix. Now, Fetch, when you upload your receipt, they're going to give you 100% back for this item. So I got 2,040 points back. Yay! Hallelujah! I got some free rice. All right, so that was a good deal because it was free and a 5-cent moneymaker. I'll take it however I can get it. Now, my last rebate, guys, was for any item for 25 cents. All right, let's talk about the numbers. I did amazing, guys. The total of everything was $18.33. But I did have $4.49 in coupons, which dropped my cost to $13.84 is what I had to pay in store. Now, what I got back, I got $8.09 back from Ibotta. Then I got $2.04 back from Fetch. Then I got $1 again from Ibotta because I got my February level 2 bonus for completing 35 rebates, dropping my cost to $2.71, guys. That is amazing. Of course, your cost would be $3.71 if you are not hitting your $1 bonus for February level 2, okay? Now, of course, my cost per item is 34 cents. That's because I had that additional $1, but yours would be a little more, but it's still a great deal, guys. All right. I'm so excited about this haul because this is pushing me even closer. Now, all I need is 10 rebates. I need to do 10 rebates to get my February funds $10 bonus and to do my Rising Star bonus, which is going to give me another $10. So I'm going to get $20 plus whatever rebates I do for just doing 10 rebates. Awesome. Those 2 rebates, those 2 bonuses are going to stack. Yes, I love it. Of course, I paid with this with Ibotta money. Y'all know how I do. All right, guys, that is it. Let me know in the comments below the video if you guys are going to go and check out these deals at Publix. I would love to know. And I hope you guys are having an amazing week, okay? Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.